Welcome back my little artists. Today we are going to make a little Krishna. Yes, so come let's make together. First, take the A4 sheets or any notebooks or blank papers and then try to keep it in a vertical position. Now, start making the face first. So for that, what I am going to do, I am going to make a Krishna face. Going very slowly. And then a ear here coming down like this. Okay. Now on the top of it I'm going to make hairs as Krishna is having a curly hairs, so I'm going to make little wavy hairs and then an ear here. Okay, same way earrings. Now it's time to make eyes. So for eyes, what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a round kind of shape and big circle in it. Okay, and then same with this side. Now the eyebrows, and then now little nose, and then a mouth like this. Okay, so like this. Eyes are done. Okay. Now on the top of it I'm going to make a godfather like this and this way. Here a circle. So here first I'm going to make a round shape for the necklace like this, a big round for another necklace like this, and one more joining to it like this. Till here it's done. Now time to make hands. So like this way, and then a straight line here. Then give a little curve and like this, and try to make the body then this way, and then here like this. So okay, now here give a hand shape like this. Okay, and same way from this side, just give a round like this. Keep on adding fingers, and then same way round here. So this way it's done till here. Now it's time to make the bottom part. So what I'm going to do, a little straight line from here and from here, and join it. No, you have to make it little curve. So like this, and then keep on adding some designs this way till here. Okay, after this, then coming towards the legs part, you have to go very slowly and make a curve here. Similarly, first make 3 lines for the dress. Okay, now from here a dhoti part like this, and then bringing this line towards down and giving a shape of a flag like this, and then again making some more lines and then join it here like this. So, and then this leg here giving a round and then fingers like this. So it's done till here. Now the next step is to make pots, earthen pots. So for that I'm going to make a round circle like this. Okay, going up and then like this. Okay, the same way, and on the top of it again one more pot this way, and then making a circle here, a big circle and a small circle, and from that circle just make a design to show that butter is coming out and dropping from the pot. So this way. Okay, so here both the pots are done. Now it's up to you. If you want to make a design in a pot, you can even make some designs in the pot, make it look more beautiful. So here I had make a simple design in the pots, and similarly same way in this pot, very simple one. You can use your own creativity and imaginations and try to make more beautiful. So this way our Krishna is all ready. Now it's time to add outlines, and to make that outlines I will use my black marker and will outline all the sketch work with the help of it.